All right, so this is 6.1, activity 3, and we are writing decimals into percent. So something right away that I can know is that percents are out of 100. And when I look at my decimal, I have my ones place, or this is my tens place, and then this second place is my hundreds. So what my goal would be is to make sure that I have my tenths and my hundredths, so then I can automatically know what my percent will be just by looking at it. So let's start off. So I have 1/10, and I put my 0 there so that I have 2 decimals, and I say, okay, that is going to be 10 out of 100, because that is 10 hundredths. So I look at my square, and I can just color in one column, and that will give me 10 out of 100 out of 100, which is equal to 10%. Okay. Now let's go to our second one. Our decimal to our percent have B, which is 24 hundredths. So I'm going to color in 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So there's my 24. So I have 24 out of 100, which that will give me 24%. Now another way that I can do this is to simply multiply my decimal. Multiply my decimal times 100. So that which would give me 24. Because I take my decimal and I move it 1, 2 places to the right. And this is going to be opposite of taking my percent to my decimal. So just think you are multiplying by 100 in order to find your percent. So let's just do one more. I will give this as an example. So if I had 0.152, I look, and this is kind of harder, but I have my 1 of my tenths column, my 5 of my hundredths column, and my 2 and my 10 thousandths, and my thousandths column, 10 hundredths, thousandths, yeah. So I then, if I wanted to, I would color in 15. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then 0.2, about there for that. Or I could simply take this times 100, and I move my decimal place 1, 2 places, and I would get 15.2%. All right. So just in case you come across something that has a larger amount of decimals, we do the same thing of just multiplying by 100 when you go from a decimal to a percent.